Well, that's just how it goes, isn't it? One second you're in a beautiful tropical paradise, and the next you are back at home with a foot of snow on the ground in -20. Guys, today we're checking out the DJI Pocket 3, and I'm gonna tell you why I think this is one of the best travel cameras that you can actually buy right now. It's fantastic. And the first reason is, well, it's in the name. It's a pocket camera. This thing literally fits in your pocket. It's tiny. You can pretty much throw it in anywhere. It's not gonna turn heads. And that is a huge plus when traveling. It weighs pretty much nothing, and yes, it's really inconspicuous, which is kind of important when you travel, especially to, well, some places more than others. Unlike big heavy camera setups, this thing is not a burden and it's a joy to use. It's also gimbal stabilized, which means you're gonna get beautiful, stable footage pretty much anytime, anywhere, really easily. And that brings me to one of my favorite things about this camera, and that's the ease of use. If you're brand new to cameras, if you've never even picked up a camera in your entire life, this thing is a breeze and you're gonna get great results right out of the box. Now, for best results, if you want the best image quality out of this incredible 1-inch sensor, I recommend that you pick up an ND filter set, a neutral density filter set. They're relatively inexpensive, and in really bright situations, it's going to improve the look of your footage hugely. Now, I do have a full in-depth review on this camera, and for more on the settings and all the cool stuff, you can check that out. But today we're just gonna stick to, again, traveling with this camera. So yes, the ease of use is just fantastic. It works quickly, it works easily, and anybody can do it. So whether you wanna do it yourself or give it to your kids to take some photos on your travels, just know it's gonna be a piece of cake. Next up, I kind of mentioned it, but the image quality that you get out of this camera is just fantastic. It shoots in 4K 60 and even 120. It has a new 1-inch sensor, which allows a lot of light in and gives you really great image quality, as you can see here. What goes along with that awesome image quality is all the modes and features, including those frame rates and that slow motion ability. Its low light performance is also very good, but it also has awesome things like time lapses, moving time lapses, hyper lapses, and all that stuff. It's kind of like a set it and forget it, where it's really easy to use on the screen, and it does have that bigger 2-inch screen now, which is really nice. You can see exactly what you're doing, and that goes to the ease of use. But yeah, the modes, the features, this thing has it all built in right from the get-go. It's easy to use and it's easy to learn. Another amazing quality of this camera is just its versatility. I'm shooting on it right now, obviously, and I use this thing for YouTube now almost exclusively, unless I really need amazing looking footage, like very professional looking footage, or I'm going for a certain look or depth of field or something. I'm throwing this thing on. I've got the creator combo here with the DJI Mic 2, and this is how it sounds. I think it sounds pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. The performance when you're throwing stuff online for social and whatnot is more than adequate. And even for some professional work, it's gonna pass. So yes, versatile, it's inconspicuous, it's got great image quality, it's got all the bells and whistles and features you could ever want. It's gimbal stabilized for that nice smooth footage. What's not to love? Well, that brings me to the price. This thing is a little bit on the pricier side, but really what you're getting, and comparatively, I think it's pretty decent. If you opt for the creator combo, if you need the mic and the extended battery handle and whatnot, I think that's a good investment. You're gonna get great battery life out of this thing. It charges crazy fast. And again, it's just a breeze to use, making it just a great overall experience. For those reasons, guys, I think this is one of the best travel cameras out there, and I'd strongly recommend it to you. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down there. I'll do my best to answer them, guys. If you did want to pick this thing up, I'll drop affiliate links in the description. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.